All right, picture this. It's early morning. You're feeling sluggish, and you need a boost that's both tasty and healthy. Let me introduce you to my go-to, the Date and Almond Energy Smoothie. Sounds simple, right? But trust me, this combo is a total game changer. Here's the scoop. Dates are nature's candy, packed with natural sugars, fiber, and a punch of antioxidants. They give you that quick burst of energy without the crash that comes from processed sugars. And almonds? Oh, they're the real MVPs. Loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and plant-based protein, almonds help keep you full, focused, and glowing from the inside out. So, how do I make it? Easy. Toss a handful of dates, a scoop of almonds, a cup of plant milk, and maybe a pinch of cinnamon into your blender. Blitz until it's creamy and smooth. That's it. Now, let's talk benefits. First, I'm getting slow-release energy that powers me through workouts or busy mornings. The fiber in dates keeps my digestion happy, while the almonds give my brain that fuel it craves. Plus, this smoothie is totally plant-based, so it's kind to the planet and my body. And here's a fun fact. Sipping on this smoothie regularly can even help manage cravings and support heart health, thanks to all those good fats and minerals. It's like a little hug for my insides every single day. So if you're looking for a tasty way to energize your routine, give the Date and Almond Smoothie a try. Your taste buds and your body will thank you.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.